Welcome to Excel Basics with Sandhya tutorial series. Today we are going to learn about the Excel software window. This is the Excel software window. You will find on the topmost bar, it shows me the file name and the software's name. Right now it is showing me sample data as a file name and Microsoft Excel as a software's name. On the extreme right hand top corner, you will find you have here control buttons. You can minimize, maximize and close this Excel software window. On the extreme left hand side corner, you have icon of Excel. Then this small bar, this is called as quick access toolbar. By default, there are 3 buttons or 3 icons or 3 menus. If you'll find here, there is a small down arrow icon. If I'll click, it will give me a menu here. Right now it is showing me new and undo and save, 3 shortcuts. But if I want open also, so I can click here and I can click, okay, show me this open file menu also. Show me this quick print menu also. So this is as per user. As a user, you can select and uncheck whatever commands are required and whatever commands are not required. If you will remove this checkbox, this command is removed. The second part is, you will find here you have different tabs. Some words are written here. First is file. So if you are clicking on file, a menu is displayed which says save, save as, open, close, recent, new and all. As the word suggests, all the file related menus, that means you want to open a file, you want to close a file, you want to save a file, you want to share a file, you want to exit the software, you want to close this file. So all the file related menus will be displayed in this file menu. Then you have home written here. They introduced a concept of tabs and ribbon. Earlier we used to have drop down menus. That means if you will click on a menu, something will drop down. This is called as drop down menu. If you will click on the start button, it pops up. That is called as pop-up menu. Something comes out. So now here you have home written. After clicking on that particular command or word, something opens up in the specified area. So this is called as tab. I am clicking on home and something is displayed. All the menus which the home button is holding is displayed here. So home is called as tab and the area where it is displayed, that's ribbon. So this is home tab ribbon. This is insert tab ribbon. This is page layout and so on. So we'll see when I click on home, all the formatting related menus are displayed here. All the cosmetic changes, whatever you want to do with your data. You want to change the font, you want to change the font size, you want to change the font color, you want to make it bold, italics, you want to apply underline, everything, center alignment, you want to delete a cell, you want to increase a cell height, row width, everything. If you'll move to next is a insert. Now Microsoft has made it so easy, like the words are self-explanatory. If I am saying insert, this means I want to include something. So whatever externally, other than your data, whatever you are typing here, other than this, whatever you want to insert externally in your existing data, everything you will get it here in this insert tab. See here, after clicking, it displays you this menu. It says you want to insert a pivot table, you want to insert a table, picture, clip art, shapes, you want to insert chart, you want to insert hyperlink, you want to insert some word art, you want to give style to your words, you want to change the chart types, everything is given here. The next one is page layout. So as the word suggests, you are definitely dealing with page. So how much margin you want to give, what paper size you want to decide, where you want to give a page break, you want to set the print area, that every time you don't have to mention that I want to print page number 1. Instead of that, you can say, okay boss, this is the area I want to define for my printing and I just want to print this. That's it. This is how you will define a print area. We are going to create a separate video for printing options. So everything related to your page setup, you will get it here. Then the next one is formula tab. So as the word suggests, formula, that means everything related to your formula. Why we are using Excel? Because we want to perform some calculations, and calculations will need some functions and formulas. So we will be using n number of different functions. We will have some financial functions. If you'll click here, we will have some logical functions, date time related functions. All the function related help will be here. Then you have some auditing formula. Okay, I have used my function, but there are some errors. Now how to rectify that error? How should I check it? So everything you will get it in formula auditing. Like you have options here. So this is the formula tab. Then you have next data tab ribbon. So in data, as the word suggests, data, you have typed something, you have some data here, and now you want to work on that data. Means suppose like here it says sort, filter. So you want to arrange your data. You want to extract some values and then display your data. You want to filter it. Now you have some files extracted. You have a table extracted, say from Oracle. You want to insert it. You have some data extracted from SAP. You want to insert it. You have some stock related, like I am dealing with stock market. I want to pick some values of the share market companies and all. So from web I want to insert my data. So data related, all the options you will get here. Then the next one comes is review tab. Now as the word suggests, review, that means one more time checking your document. So you have all the spell check options here. You want to protect your worksheet. You have created your data. You have worked on your data. And now you want to apply protection to your worksheet and workbook. So you have these options here. You can insert comment also. Then you have view tab. The last one, not the last one. Right now on my screen, this is the last one, view tab. Now as the word suggests, view, how you would like to view your software window, in normal layout mode, in page layout mode, in page break layout mode. So you have different layout modes. You want to view the grid lines. See, I have unchecked this. These are the grid lines. These grid lines, these are just for viewing purpose. Many a times it happens that these checkbox is turned off. So now I am not able to view the grid lines, and you will get confused. Okay, where the lines are? I am not able to see them. So now you can just go to view and you can say turn on the grid lines. Formula bar, many a times this is where later on we are going to learn everything. So later on, suppose sometimes what happens that I am not able to view this formula bar. Where it is? So this is turned off. I am not able to view it. So just go to view tab and say check it. Check this. Show me this formula bar. How you want to zoom it? You want to like minimize it. Here is again one more shortcut. So you want to zoom. If I have some data, I'll say I want to check only this. So I'll say zoom to selection. I can say show me 100% screen, not like how it will get printed, and so on. We are going to create later on some videos especially for this menu. Okay, so right now these are all the tabs and it is very easy. Like it depends what you want to do. Okay, I want to sort my data. So definitely you will get everything on data tab. Okay, I want to rectify some errors. Everything you will get on formula tab. So this is how you can search. If you are learning Excel, you can search and you can look for the proper menu. Okay, now so these are tabs and the area where the details are displayed. So this combination is called as ribbon. After this, next one, this is a name box. Okay, now this name box, if you'll click here, this down arrow, it is showing me nothing. So this name box is used for many different purposes. I'm clicking on this insert new worksheet. Okay, this name box is used for different purposes. You will find Excel worksheet or Excel screen is made up of rows and columns. This is a column and this is row. You are working on a specific row and in a specific column. So an intersection of row and column is called as cell. I am just maximizing this. If I'll click here, you will find I am in D column and row number 4. So how I'll come to know my location? If I am, say, suppose I am on row number 200, 300 and I am just scrolling this. So here this name box shows you your current location. So this name box is a very useful box where it helps you to navigate. Suppose I want to move somewhere, I want to move to column Z, row number 500. I'll just type and I'll press enter key. You'll find Excel has moved me to column Z, row number 500. If I'll press, I want to move to column D, row 1. So I'll press D1 and enter. So it has moved me to column D, row 1. So this is name box. So second usage is, if you have range names already created, you can navigate to those range names. You can create range names also. Then after, next to this name box, you have a formula bar. So formula bar, whatever you are typing, it is displayed here on formula bar. So suppose I am typing 20, it is displayed here. So this is the formula bar. Next we have columns and rows. Then next we have vertical scroll bar. So you can scroll the screen vertically down and up. Then you have these worksheet navigation arrows. Move to next. Then you have this horizontal scroll bar. You can move the screen towards right side. You can move your screen towards left side. And then you have your status bar. Last one. So now this status bar shows you in what mode you are. Right now it says ready. That means it's a ready mode. Whatever you are typing, it is accepted by Excel. It is not showing me anything. I have clicked on blank cell and this status bar is not showing me anything here. But if I'll select some range, so if it is a numeric value, see here, right now I have a small table here and we will select this quantity sold column. So as soon as I select that range, it shows me all the details that I have selected this range. From this range, the average value is 4.6. Total count, that means there are total 5 values. Minimum value is 2, maximum is 9 and the sum is 23. Same way, if I'll select the total sales, it will show me accordingly. Whatever values Excel is showing me right now here, this is called as online calculation. That means I am not performing some function or I am not adding anything. But after selecting the values, still Excel is calculating it and showing me these values. This is called as online calculation. Then I have page layout mode, normal mode and page break preview. So how to use this, we are going to learn it in later sessions. Then you have minimize, like zoom buttons. Minus sign will reduce it and plus sign will increase it. So that's all guys. This is Sandhya Bapat signing off.